got you this expensive paper, and I got a great deal on this £50 clunker on account of it's missing a Y. I told the sales lady that Y was one of the letters in my favorite writer's names.
It's also one of the letters of my favorite nurse's name, Kelly.
You fooler! Did I do good?
You did great. Except there's this one little thing. I can't work with this paper. It's courseable bond, it smudges. Maybe you could go back into town and bring me some white, long-grained Mimeo.
But mine customers, so I don't see how it could smudge.
Come here, I'll show you.
Well, it does appear to smudge, huh? Isn't that fascinating?
I thought you'd be interested. I like you to be on everything, Sandy. Not just the finished book, but how it's written.
Thank you for thinking of me. Anything else I can get while I'm in town? Any other crucial requirement that needs satisfying? Would you like a tiny tape recorder? Or maybe a handmade set of writing slippers?
No, just the paper will be fine.
Are you sure? Because if you want, I could go back into town and bring back the entire store.
Kelly, what's the matter?
What's the matter? I'll tell you what's the matter. I go out of my way for you. I do everything for you. I clean you, I dress you, I feed you, and what's the thanks I get? You got the wrong paper, Kelly. I can't write on this paper, Kelly. Well, I'll go get you your stupid paper. But you better start showing me a little more appreciation around here.